नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is jaundice. Jaundice, or also known as icterus, refers to the yellow pigmentation of skin. Jaundice occurs due to increased level of bilirubin in the blood, also known as hyperbilirubinemia. Normal serum bilirubin level are total total bilirubin level is 0.2 to zero point 0.8 milligram per deciliter. This is the normal value for total bilirubin in blood. In newborn, it is different. In newborn, it is zero point 0.8 to 12 mg per deciliter. So in newborn, it is quite high. Critical value for adult is more than 12 milligram per deciliter, and critical value for newborn is more than 50 milligram per deciliter. In prehepatic and unconjugated or indirect, bilirubin is 0.2 to 0.7 milligram per deciliter in blood. Or post-hepatic or conjugated or direct bilirubin level is 0.1 to 0.4 milligram per deciliter of blood. Fecal urobilinogen level is 40 to 280 milligram per day, and in urine bilirubin level is 0.0 to 0.02 milligram per deciliter. Now, source of unconjugated bilirubin. The sources for unconjugated bilirubin is hemoglobin breakdown, excessive hemoglobin breakdown. Second is catabolism of other heme-containing proteins, that is myoglobin, and ineffective erythropoiesis. These all three conditions can causes increase in the unconjugated bilirubin level. Bilirubin in the blood is normally all unconjugated. It is not soluble in water. It is bound to the albumin and it does not pass into the urine. So if the unconjugated bilirubin present in the body, it is not soluble in water. It is bound to albumin and it does not passes with urine. Here is a systematic diagram presenting increased level and also the conjugated and unconjugated bilirubin processing. Red cell destruction or heme protein catabolism or bone marrow erythropoiesis all causes bilirubin. It causes circulating albumin, bilirubin or unconjugated bilirubin. It goes to liver and by hepatic conjugation, conjugated bilirubin develops, and circulating conjugated bilirubin either go to the kidney or go to the intestine, and bacterial deconjugation occur, and then fecal stercobilinogen is secreted by fecus. Some of the conjugated bilirubin also again reabsorbed by the intestine and goes to the kidney and excreted by there. Now, major difference between unconjugated and conjugated bilirubin. Features first, normal serum level. Unconjugated bilirubin is more in blood than conjugated bilirubin. It is less than 0.2 milligram per deciliter. Water solubility. Unconjugated bilirubin is not soluble in water, while conjugated bilirubin is soluble in water. That's why it is easily excreted by urine. Affinity to the lipids or alcohol solubility. Alcohol solubility is present in unconjugated bilirubin and it is absent in conjugated bilirubin. Serum albumin binding. It is high in unconjugated bilirubin and very low in conjugated bilirubin. Von den Bragg reaction is indirect or totally minus direct to the unconjugated bilirubin or direct to the conjugated bilirubin. Renal excretion is absent in unconjugated bilirubin because it is not water soluble, and present in conjugated bilirubin because it is water soluble. Bilirubin albumin covalent complex formation is absent in unconjugated bilirubin and present in conjugated bilirubin. Affinity to the brain tissue is present in unconjugated bilirubin and it causes kernicterus, and it is absent in conjugated bilirubin. Into endoplasmic reticulum, unconjugated bilirubin converted into bilirubin mono and digluconate by gluconyl transferase. And in colon, conjugated bilirubin is metabolized by colonic bacteria, forming sterocolo- s- stercobilinogen, which is further oxidized into stercobilin, which both are excreted in the stool. Small amount of stercobilinogen also absorbed by the bowel and again go to the liver and excreted by the urine. Classification. Classification of jaundice is three types: prehepatic jaundice, hepatic jaundice, post-hepatic jaundice. Now, causes of jaundice, especially unconjugated. First is excessive production of bilirubin, that is hemolytic anemia, hematomas, ineffective erythropoiesis. Second is reduced hepatic intake by drug interference and in case of Gilbert syndrome. Third is impaired bilirubin conjugation. Example is physiological jaundice of newborn, breast milk jaundice, genetic deficiency of UGT1A1 activity, also known as Crigler-Najjar syndrome. Causes of jaundice, especially conjugated jaundice: deficiency of canalicular membrane transporter, that is also example is Dubin-Johnson syndrome, and impaired bile flow. Clinical features of jaundice: pallor due to anemia is present, stool is very dark, urine is very dark, splenomegaly occurs due to hemolytic anemias, pigment in stones develop, and yellowish discoloration of skin is present. Investigation. Normal investigations are blood count, including CBC, ESR, blood film, liver function test, and urine test. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoy this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.